Due to the COVID-19 pandemic, many mid-level businesses are about to die. Many people are losing their jobs in the world. Even in this kind of situation, do you want to earn millions? Yes, it can possible. Guys, did you notice some businesses are actually booming today? Do you know which type of business is this? I am going to tell you which businesses are most profitable nowadays. And if you have lost your job and thinking about some online business which can grow at rocket speed, this video feature all the essential aspects you must consider before you start your online business. At the end of the video, a valuable gift waiting for you, and that is nothing but an appreciation for watching the entire video, and that can save your hundreds of dollars. So watch this video till the end so that I can tell you how you can create your own web development agency. Along with, I'll share my own little journey with you. So without getting further delay, let's get started. Welcome back to all of you on my channel. This is Samiruddin and you are watching Samiruddin Consultancy YouTube channel. This is our third episode of Online Business After Pandemic. And in this video, I am going to discuss the complete roadmap of a web development agency. I am going to tell you how you can convert your ideas into reality and what you should know before starting your own web development agency. As a director or owner, you need to understand some skills and techniques if you want to be successful in your business. And you need to understand the roadmap to be successful in web development business. And these are market research and analysis. Decide on your products, services and their revenue model. Name your web development company. Address legal and administrative requirements. Set up your work environment like domain, hosting, server and a web application. A practical plan with a solid foundation including dedication and willingness. Technical skills and manpower and basic knowledge of management, finance and marketing. Before going ahead, I am very glad to tell you that I have run a web development agency from 2019. We have started as a partnership firm, but unfortunately it's dissolved due to some reason, and now I have my own agency called Flappify. And if you stay in this video till the end, I'll announce about a giveaway including free consultancy to set up your online business. I want to show you some demo of web applications before taking you to the main content, which I have made for my friends and my clients during this lockdown with HostGator. Let's see few of them. This is Elysium Motors. This is a private limited e-bike product and service provider company that is growing day by day. Then we have Anthony Barabbas, a plastic surgeon web application for appointment booking. Now we have Sarang Welfare Society, a non-profit organization. And now we have a blog for kindergarten kids, littlefingers.com, including my own blog that is samiruddinconsultancy.com, where you will get a lot of free resources. So these are some small businesses that run their website on HostGator and it runs smoothly and securely. By the way, let's talk about some reason to start your own online business. You will become your own boss and you don't need to follow someone's instructions, and you can do what you want and when you want to do it. Apart from that, you can increase your standard of living as well. Guys, I know that to get into the right business is very good advice, but following the advice may be difficult. But I am ensuring that after getting the points that I have mentioned earlier, you will understand the scenario step by step. As we talked, market research and analysis are most important to be success in any business, because without aim and analytics you will never succeed in any business. You should know about business strategy in depth, even if you are working as a project manager in any company, because without understanding the business terms and requirement, it is almost impossible to implement the project. And sometimes you need to understand marketing strategy, and you need to research some relevant companies to understand your business. So first one is market research and analysis, and next is to decide your product, services and revenue model. After that, we need to design our product architecture and develop some mock-up to attract our clients. Clarify your services offering. For example, you might offer complete website design and development, site redesign, and website maintenance and management services, etc. Describe services, and most importantly, you need to calculate your costing. What are your development and maintenance costing and charges, and fix a revenue model that can boost your business and feasible to your client as well. Now we need to choose our brand name. Like I have named my agency as Flappify. So you need to choose a unique and easy to remember name. By the way, I have an amazing tool that decides your brand name. Let's see. Type Namelix on Google. You will find this website. This is a business name generator tool that will help you a lot in choosing your business name. Just type some keywords related to your business. Select some options. Now let's see. We have a lots of keywords related to web design business name. Many of them are free to use. We also need business registration according to preferences. You can start as proprietorship or partnership firm. Nowadays, we have one more option, that is OPC, one person company. It has compliance very similar to private limited and most suitable for one person business. Now, let's talk about the work environment setup. That is very important to developing and delivering your client's project. So first of all, we need a domain name according to our business name. I prefer to choose .com. If you don't find it, then you will go with .in, .usa according to your country preferences as well. By the way, our main aim is to serve our clients through a web application. As you know, you need a company website, but before designing a website, we need a trusted and fastest web hosting provider that can give us the capacity to load hundreds of websites for your clients without any downtime. You can buy domain name, hosting and search. So I have compared many providers and I have concluded that HostGator is one of the best options to launch your website development agency. Because HostGator is one of the largest and most popular hosting company in the world. They offer Linux managed and Windows dedicated server plans, and if you are developing an application that has thousands of visitors at a time, then you should buy one of these plans. Otherwise, you can go with Linux shared hosting plan. That will be affordable for you. You can buy for every single website individually or choose at least this baby plan, whether you want to start your startup or a web development agency, because you will get a complete package exclusively in this plan, including unlimited website with a free domain name and free G Suite for 1 year. And because you have a web development business, then you have a good deal with this baby plan. And you can build your client's project with this plan as well. After growing your business, you can switch to reseller hosting as well, because reseller hosting is most suitable for web development agency, but it is very much costly for starting a business. Now click on buy now. Just put the domain name that you decided for your business. Now congratulations, you have a free domain name. After that, just fill the given option to create HostGator account, and then you need to put your billing information. After that, here you can select some additional features. And finally, place my coupon code to getting an extra discount, that is Samir. So after putting my promo code, you got discount here. Now let's complete the checkout. And now you can earn millions by creating a web application for your web development agency. And if you need any kind of help, let me know in the comment section. I'll give you free consultancy, including a giveaway that will be announced very soon. After creating your agency website, you need to make a practical plan with a solid foundation, including dedication and willingness. And then you have to build and grow your technical skills and manpower. And finally, you should have basic knowledge of management, finance and marketing. Also, you can hire someone who are expert in this field. As you watched the entire video, now I have a giveaway for you. That is a free website setup for your web development agency for those who will follow my guidance, including free consultancy for any issue. Till now, we have discussed how to start a web development agency and how to get hosting and domain to set up your business. I hope you will get hosting and domain from HostGator before my next video, so that I can show you practically how to create a professional e-commerce website with the help of HostGator. Now allow me see you in the next video. Till then, thanks for watching. Good luck and goodbye.